นักจิงเป็นแนววัดกันนอกินน้องช่องชนองฮัลโหลกับจิงเป็นเล็บบอร์ดิ้งอิเล็กทริกคลัมกับจิงเป็นบรรณาปัจบะหากิบันตากับอมปลิงบัดลับพลังหากเศร้าตริกอุรมพังอาราจาอาร์พุสันเมนทรีบได้เป็ดยากตนัดบอร์ดิ้งเอตีมอนดัลอุลเป็นพายเตียนบักเดย์นักจิงเป็นไตรยากรีแวมด์ดิสทริบิวชั่นเซกเตอร์สกีม RDSS กุมตาลเป็นไตรกรรมอยากจิงเป็นเล็บบอร์ดิ้งอิเล็กทริกหากิบันตาสอร์กิบักกันทบอยากอมปลิงดองชนังไลท์เมาเสียงนลอร์กิเวดีกิจักาHabakran sikilat pathai kubor eti mondal uloong pakate jing pelip boarding kadai ban yat bait ke jing tray ban pen bha ya ki transformer ban bujli ya ki pole HT bat LT bat ru ban bo da ki sainar light conductor bat thamai khnang ban pen bet pen biang shu shu ya ka boarding electric Haba ben rap halor ka jing jing nam ki Paidbah lingba ki rensan social media eti mondal ulapan kesan pan bakate ke jing tray kadai ban Pyndep Shwa ban poi ka ayom slap
Actually, we have taken RDSS works, and because of that, shutdown has been taken in that route. And I can give you some details also that work were carried out for Umpling Dongsaneng LT transformer from Umpling to Lightmouse Xiao 500 kVA. Then there are so many like 7 by 1 by 25 erection of HT poles for Umpling Dongsaneng with effect from 17:0 hours up to 15:0 hours. Like that, details are with me. This is basically we are taking up the renovation and augmentation work. Many places the poles are being changed. Then we are bringing more HT lines in the proximity. Then transformer will be installed. For this shutdown is required. The shutdown is for that. We have enhanced the manpower. We receive a lot of inconvenience. People have complained to us, and accordingly we have increased our manpower, and we have cut the stretches in a shorter space so that the frequency of shutdown is reduced, and also the area of shutdown is also reduced. So we are working on it. This is for good only, for the improvement of the power scenery in the locality. And other areas also in future will face same problems because of this. And moreover, some places we are putting these AVC cables and all these things. Due to that, this problem. AVC cable in the sense that bundled covered wires that we are putting.
How many areas, sir?
It is going on in different localities.
As of now, how many areas are using?
It is going throughout the state. It will continue till we complete the work. It will take quite some longer time. Consumers is that this is for the benefit of the consumers only, for the benefit of better power supply, for the benefit of augmentation of more transformer in the areas, for changing of HT and LT poles, and also changing of conductors. So ultimately it will help in future. No, it depends because that's why we reduce the stretches now. So suppose it requires for 1 hour, so we cut that stretch only for 1 hour. Sometimes it goes more because the entire area you got to change the cables. No, it's not that one pole to another pole you change and connect. It is not like that. No. There is a power. There is difference between power cut or load shedding and shutdown. Shutdown will be required whenever you require any type of repair, any type of changing of transformer or changing of wires, poles, that will be there. As of now, there is no scheduled load shedding or power cut. Yeah, shutdown it will be required because this is the season. If we don't do, once the monsoon comes, then it will be not possible for us to do it. This is the time where we can do it.
Habatin, Paidbah ki kishap, kashap plus F.
Ka plus F?
Hakabam bangibam dunaki eki batay kamet. Namar kata habathiru atau kau kamlu ka umpnyang kadut ped ya kashap plus F hakajing som. Yaki nutrient kumki vitamin bat ka ayan la icon diat bat akabathau bha kam kata ika dur jingki marbam kajing mat lani ka rukam shed yaki. Balehi banai kita. Kadon ka we kajing mentoy ba kongsan. Ka kot ka kia. Ka nutrition ba kambhak ka jing imba khamba pendon kam daki mar ba modon ka sharp plus f menta kasni
Lawan Ra Shapi Lingba ko office jong Commissionerate of Food Safety Meghalaya